AliShanmao here. We are again outside. This time we are going to fly Redcat Racing's brushless Cessna. It's a small Cessna and today is really windy. We want to see how it will behave. Here we go. I can feel the wind gusts. So what we can do is we can get I think more than 10 minutes flight on single battery today. It's just get against the wind and cut the throttle. Now we have no power at all on the motor. And you can see it's just gliding there. So climb, fly, glide. Climb, glide. As you can see, it has no power, but it's not stalling. It's just coming down smooth. That shows how stable this bird is. I love Cessna for nothing. Landing like right on the spot landing.